If you were floating in space and your suit suddenly disappeared, most people think your body would just explode under the pressure. But that's not actually the case. You see, the first thing that would happen is you would immediately lose all of the air in your lungs. This would be quickly followed by your skin swelling as your bodily fluids start to vaporize. And in just a few seconds, you would lose consciousness due to lack of oxygen. If you went away from the sun, over the span of a few months, your body would freeze as it floated into the abyss.